Psalm 139:14 says, I will praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Have you ever thought about the mechanism of our body? How wonderfully it has been made. The systems in our body, the organs in our body, and how everything synchronizes well and functions so efficiently. And if one of our organs is getting crippled, science is spending trillions of dollars to find a machine that could run, or a way that could make it going in the normal way. But still it doesn't function in the normal way. So thank God, because we are fearfully and wonderfully made. God bless you.